In an anticipated move, the Aston Martin DB12 is undergoing a captivating transformation into a convertible variant. This evolution retains the captivating design of its coupe counterpart while introducing a liberating expanse of open sky by replacing the solid metal roof with an intricate fabric canopy comprising 8 layers of insulation, ensuring serene rides during extended grand tours. The unfolding of this aerial spectacle takes a mere 14 seconds to transition from the enclosed haven to an open-air sanctuary, and another 16 seconds to retreat while the DB12 Volante cruises at speeds of up to 31 miles per hour. Fascinatingly, the roof's manipulation need not be confined to within the car. It can be initiated using the key from within a 2-meter radius, even when facing headwinds of similar velocity. Aston Martin offers the Volante with a standard black roof, but personalization knows no bounds as customers can opt for red, blue, or black-silver canopies. Furthermore, this canvas extends to body and interior colors, especially for those seeking exclusive craftsmanship from Aston Martin's bespoke Q department. Underneath the sculpted hood, the 2+2 convertible houses a twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8 engine, bestowing it with 671 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. It accelerates from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 3.7 seconds, a mere tenth of a second shy of its coupe sibling, and reaches a coupe-matching 202 miles per hour. The power journey to the wheels is orchestrated by a rear-mounted 8-speed automatic transmission coupled with a torque converter, an electronic rear limited slip differential, and a carbon fiber prop shaft. Braking power is facilitated by standard 400mm front and 360mm rear discs, with the option to shed weight via an available carbon ceramic brake kit. The DB12 Volante rides on 21-inch forged wheels, fitted with Michelin Pilot Sport 5 tires. The Volante mirrors its coupe-kin in technological sophistication, boasting a 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay connectivity. The interior ambiance is elevated with an optional Bowers & Wilkins 15-speaker, 1,170-watt sound system. The Aston Martin DB12 Volante debuted at the Quail, a motorsports gathering during the Monterey Car Week, destined for production in the third quarter, and deliveries starting in Q4 2023, sealing its status as a remarkable creation in the luxury convertible landscape.